India, from its ancient time, always keep its peace, tranquility, serenity. Though its every neighboring country fight against India, like Bangladesh, like Pakistan, like Sri Lanka, Maldives. So every neighboring country, Nepal also fight against India. So as a global situation, demography in 2025, India has a very tough situation. But from ancient past to 2025, we always uphold our peacekeeping elements. It can be happened with our neighboring country, or it can be happened with European or American country. But Indian stand always the same. Donald Trump, he just recently imposed 50% tariff against India to stop Russian crude oil buying to India, and India continuously silence. But External Affairs Minister Joy Shankar recently reached out USA, have a deal with India USA. But Donald Trump today continuously recite that we stopped India to buy crude oil from Russia. It is true that India's economical elements just have little disturbed by the 50% tariff of Donald Trump, but it is not vulnerable. We must have to cure our economy. But Donald Trump, he forcefully changed India's stand. So India never do that. We nexus to Pakistan, we nexus to Afghanistan for our strategic relationship, but we not never support Afghan. India always have its own culture, imposing the people. We have Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam to accept all religious creed, caste regardlessly. But in present time, we afford the hand with Taliban for strategic partnership, because our every neighboring country except two or three have stand against India, especially for China as a big economy, as a big powerful country, and neighboring country stand against India. So for a survive, we must take a strategic stand, we must take a diplomatic stand in every situation or global position. So India always peacekeeping activity doing that, but if anyone want to hit India, we must give retaliate. That is the Indian stand on our position in 2025. For a long time in Congress regime, we suffered many terrorist attacks from Pakistan, from Afghanistan, and we not give retaliate. We reached out, our leader reached out to USA for a conventional stand or discussing matter about the hit out or incident. But in 2025, the Indian stand, it changed to 360-degree from previous time. We can hit directly, not to give permission any powerful country like America or China. Also, not to give permission, not to get permission from UNO. We can directly hit any country we can directly retaliate any country. That's the Indian position in present. So our economical disturbance are going on, and we are continuously try to relation development with USA, but it's not a fruitful outcome in present, but it continuously going on. If anything happened across the world, the peacekeeping situation or peacekeeping hands always stretch out from India. That's our culture. So from past, present and future, we must do that the same thing that impose our culture, that give a greater good